Usembut Menteri Rangba Gejala ba Preston Tensong ha ka apoi trek mentau benai ula plepat ba iaka Facilitation Centre nega kerdop rung bat mi ka badan umling ha ka distrik Riboy. Hagani gasngi ledon lang ki Menteri Sarkar ki MLA Gejala ka Deputy Commissioner ka distrik Riboy ikong RM Korba bat kibai-kibai. Hadin bala plia ka nega kerdop la pedang sobharu iki brio ki bana sabar ki bawan rung syapok Gejala Meghalaya. Uba Preston Tensong uloong balatay kini ke kerdop bagi jinglut ke bakot arklur nyo paulak tengka bat kini ke center kan terekam kat kumki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act. Uloong babro ki brio ki bawan rung spok Gejala la kadai ki bandit Sangkai ne banwan ke bentak ki kam kai pateng kinhap ban register yala di ha kini ke kerdop bat uloong bagi bor ki balai kimi kini le ban penti kena bakan om bamportan ha kajeng pendung kertengi ki brio ki bawan na sabar Gejala. Nalor kani uba Preston Tensong uloong bahak ni gibnai banwan ke sarkar kan sataino sei kiwe ki kerdop akaleng ki benta jong Gejala ki bakenthop harata cera bajeng doba batsyan an sapleno eka Facilitation Centre ha Mahendraganj Railway Station katba hakakat lingsun ha umroi ladep banbo eka Facilitation Centre. Uloong bahadian ke jingple kani kerdop on sapengkan riano ek infiltration check gate na bernihat bat banbo langno ha ka Facilitation Centre ha umling. Hasuaban play kene ke kerdop kinong alam sang bhalang ki bana kathan Riboy kilelum hakmat kene ke kerdop ban saki kene ke jing play ka. Hadian beladak ban play kene ke Facilitation Centre uba Preston Tensong rengkat bat ki Menteri Sarkar kilalet je kendoro kinong alam sang bhalang ki belum hakmat jong kene ke center. Kinong alam sang bhalang kilepen pawe ke jing sngau tenat halor ke jing simkia ke Sarkar ban pentrekam no mardor ya kene ke kerdop.
And today I should say today is the red letter day where ultimately we are able to inaugurate this entry point, which is known as Facilitation Centre, for those friends coming in or entering into our state. So I'm so happy, I'm so thankful to all of my colleague Minister Hamlet and also my colleague MLAs in the Assembly who are able to be here and then to witness the inauguration of the entry point this morning. So I think you must have seen, before we reach here, I think you must have inspected each and every counter. So this one is an humble beginning done by the government. Well, I would like to tell you, we may have shortcomings here and there, but I would request to every concern, please feel free if you have any kind of suggestion. We are ready to accept it. We will modify it, and not only modification, we would like to improve this entry point or facilitation center to the extent where our friends coming in from different parts of our country as well as from outside the country, that the moment they landed here in this place, they feel homely and they feel safe too. See why government wanted, the intention of why we wanted to set up integrated entry or facilitation center like this. It's because we wanted to make sure our friends coming in from outside the state are totally safe, and not only safe by registering themselves, because nowadays, you know, when we say registration, maybe people thought that, well, I have to go and then I have to spend my whole day in queuing up in the line. But now, as I said, the technology is already in place where the e-device is in place and people can do pre-registration. And those people who cannot, the moment they landed here, again we will make sure that the system is fast and then they don't have to wait for long. So therefore, I would like to request our friends coming from outside the state, please don't hesitate to visit the most beautiful state, the most beautiful states, I should say, in India, like Meghalaya. And the people of Meghalaya are so welcoming to all of them. And I would like to assure our friends coming from outside the state, feel homely, be here with us. Through your pre-registration, or maybe on the spot registration, we are there to help you out. How many days you want to stay in Meghalaya? You are free, just indicate yourself, and then the destination that you wanted to, you wanted to maybe to visit different parts of the state, we are there to help you out. So that is the intention of the government. Secondly, I would like to inform all of you, the next entry point of Facilitation Centre that we are going to set up very soon. Number one is Bajang Doba. Land has been just handed over to the government. And number two is Ratashara. And that also I'm happy to inform all of you that the land has been handed over to Tourism Department. So hopefully by next year, we will be able to set up similar entry point of facilitation centers in these two places.
Boleh. Dah, tengok layar. You sure? Layar play show mentah. Kalau ar pada tu ngidang ya sedang mentah. Dengan ngidang ya lah itu nang perjanai. Kamar Maria sedang tu kamu kita teng kelak benduna. Dia tidur mengi sana. Tidur lang jong pi. Dukut. Kaki sama. Ia pelang. Bok. Kata hidup kami gitu. Hoi. Pelang. Nangkap pun yang ni lah ni hilakan wan betul. Lah ni lah dapat dekat belum mahal bisi. Lah yang hisap communicate ni sini. Population Ilasun Lelang Kebaduan we expect Migirmen lambang ane kan karuan rak kajing mentoy kajing ha ke bakam ha sudah nyanyi sutra semuanya boleh nyetir kan itu tak boleh boleh